Hello guys. This is my new product. It's a client and lawyer. It's a case and client management portals mainly for the lawyers. So let me give a small demo. So this is the main login page. It has a facility to log in via Google. So let's log in with our account. So let's say I'm using this account. So yes, it will fetch automatically your name and your profile photo, as well as it will show the current today's date and all the cases. This is basically a dashboard which shows all your active cases, all your upcoming meetings, and all your tasks. So let's start with the profile section. So as you can see, this is our profile section. So let's start with the changing our DP. So let's say I want to keep this. Okay, so as you can see, the DP is updated. Now let's start with the details. So let's say this is my name. Let me give a dummy phone number and let me give a dummy address. Let's add the birthday, random birthday. Okay, and as you know, I speak English, Hindi, and Gujarati. Now move to the education section. State law, BA, LLB, graduation year 2025, and criminal lawyer with more than 20 plus success cases. And for work experience, let's say Sentinel solution. Let me write my bar registration number DI. Uh, I have total 5 years of experience, specialization as a criminal lawyer, and let's say district court and high court are my main. So yes, as you can see, my profile has been updated, and here, as a lawyer, main concern is to share the to get clients, and to get clients, we usually need to like refer someone or need to share them a visiting card. So yes, this is my digital visiting card, and it can be accessed by anyone without any login or anything. It shows my profile photo, my name, what kind of lawyer, and for what firm I'm working. If I'm working for no one, then it will remain empty. And on hover, you will get all the details such as my bar registration number, my years of experience, my codes, as well as my language is here. You will get an option to call me, to mail me, and to find the location. So yeah, this is my card. Okay, so let's start with the our main module, which is our case component. So yeah, case component basically handles all the cases and everything. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so this is our case component. So let's start with the case component. Case component is the major component of our product, as it manages all the cases and everything. So yeah, let's create a case. So as I'm a criminal lawyer, so let's create a hit and run case. Hit and run case. It's a criminal. Every case number should be different. So let me create a case number which is unique, and X should be, let's say, A1, B1, C2. Okay, and yeah, court should be High Court, and jurisdiction will be Vadodara. Is shareable is basically whether you want to public that case or when want to keep it private. Right now, let me keep it private. So if I try to create the case, then it won't. It will give a error that a client name and other things are important. So let's add the client name. So let's say client name is Delta, and a client email ID is okay. It's an individual, and phone number should be any random phone number. Let's say the opposition name is Mike, and the lawyer name is uh, Den John, or whatever you like. Let's create the case. So yeah, let's say hit and run case. Car was XUV 500. Okay, so yeah, let's state the status is pending, make it a high priority, outcome is pending. Let's say the next hearing date is of 24. So yeah, let's create a case. So as you can see, our case has been created. So if you can see, we can see the cases with high priority, and we can also as I said, whether it is a shareable or not. So let's check. It's yes, like as we have status for the private use, you will get the error that case is restricted for public use. Ask the lore. So let's update our case. As you can see, a new section of document has been updated. So yeah, let's add a document first, FIR copy of police complaint, and let me add a dummy PDF, and yeah, the PDF has been uploaded, and let me make it public. So yes, as you can see, the case is now public, so anyone can access and everything. So yes, you will get all the details, who is the client, who is the opposition, this is the case detail, as well as the next hearing date, and if there are any past, as well as you can also see the document. This is for public use if required. Now let's say I want to add the past hearing dates, so I can easily add the dates which are past. Like for example, the last hearing date was on 17, where the judge say, uh, ask the okay. So on 17 they said this, and let's say on 20th, they ask for medical bills. Okay, so let's update the case. So as you can see, our case is updated. So here you will get this section of what's hearing date details also. Now it also have the feature where it will automatically send the details via mail. So let's say the case status has been pending from ongoing, the priority is high, and the case outcome has not yet been decided, and the new hearing date has been changed to 27, let's say. So let's update the case. So whenever we will update the case, it will automatically send the mail to both the client and the lawyer. So as you can see, our case has been updated, and let's check. So yes, I got the status that it's ongoing, and I also get an update of hit and run case. The new date has been set to 27, as well as I this is my lawyer account, and let's say, and yes, this is my client account, and as you can see, in client account also I received the details regarding the hit and run case. So yeah, this is how it works. You can easily delete if you want. You can also update the documents, and also remove the documents. As you can see, the document has been removed. So in the public section also, our documents will not be available. So yeah, this is my case component. Then as you can see, this meeting and task is basically act as a personal assistant for the lawyers, which manages all their meetings and everything. So let's state that client name should be Delta, client email ID should be any random email ID. Let's say this is for hit and run case, and agenda is to ask for to discuss to make case strong. Let's set the meeting date to 23, and time should be let's say 12 o'clock, and I want it offline, and location should be same Vadodara. I don't want a meeting reminder. Basically, meeting reminder is to remind the priority, 1 hour before the meeting you will get the mail. So this is how it works. So let's create a meeting. So once created, you will get, and it will say how many days are left and everything. Same on the dashboard, you will get the details, everything. Now let's create a task. So let me create a task to create the uh, let's say title should be hit and run, and description should be create the case details for hit and run case and ask the criminal to summon in quote. And let's say to create like I have meeting on 23, so let me set the due date and priority to high, and status should be pending. Yeah, so as you can see it's due in 1 day. And yeah, so I will get here the details. If I set the priority to medium or low, then it won't like what say as you can see it is priority is medium. Let me set it to low. Yeah, but it falls in the category of like due soon, so that's why it is showing here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the hit and run case which is on 22/24 and it's on pending state. So where I can easily update my states here as per my needs and to set it complete and everything. And yes, once the case is completed, it's no longer been visible in the task section. I can easily delete it from here also. Same, the meetings can also be deleted from here. So yeah, this is my full demo of this particular application. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can comment down below. Let me just log out. So yeah, thank you.